I will give taxi.
No, I don't care.
Wait, wait, wait.
Give me 10 dirham, please.
Wait,
Mine.
wait, wait, wait. I have
No, I need to go. Give
No,
me.
no, no.
No, you have to. Give me 10 dirham.
Wait muna.
Give me
Yeah.
10 dirham.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Go there. Give me.
Wait, wait, wait. You will give you 10 dirham. Kung ada ang customer yun.
Yo, problem. Wala ba customer?
Sir kayo nun. Okay mga. Ligay nun there. Wait. Wait, Ahmad. Ligay nun there.
No, I need to go. Please.
Ligay nun. I will give money.
Okay, now, 9 time. I need to go.
Kunin mo ligay nun tawag dyan. Pero. Ball game. He will take ligay nun. Kunin mo si Gray ng pera doon.
Nasaan?
Nandun sa labas. Kunin mo yung pera.
May bibigay?
Oo.
Ilang masan?
Bigyan mo ng 10.
Magkano bibigay?
10.
Ha?
Jeez! In and out. Now Norcos. Short.
Challenge,
Nice pass downside. Open jump, too strong. Cortez shot block by Norcos. Now Norcos drive, coast to coast, short. Rebound on San Beda. Now Gumbangan. Forty to shoot. Foul! Basket count and 1 on San Beda. Foul on number 18. First team foul on Litran. It's 2-0. Nice shot coming from Bumbangan. 2-0. Now 3-0. It's San Beda. Time to shoot. 5.
10 dirham lang nang palang pag nagkakon nila doon.
Ba't nila mabinigay yung siguro?
100 daw.
Asan?
Binigay daw sa kanya.
Tayo ito na. Kinuha yung tayo 100?
Binigay, hindi. Nagbigay daw si Regalo ng 100.
Asan?
Ya Allah, iwan ko sa inyo. Walang,
Binigay, kano binigay mo sa
basta may 10 pa daw na sisingilin si Ahmad.
Traveling violation, traveling. Kano ba binigay mo Ahmad? Wala.
Wala.
Walang binigay?
Wala.
Si ano ang binigay nun? Binigay?
Sabi nga yan na nagbigay na nga daw.
Saan nga nabigay nga? Saan niya binigay? Pare pagtanong, hindi mo alam kung saan mo binigay ni Ahmad?
Malay ko sa inyo.
Hindi mo saan siya magbigay?
Hindi ko alam, sabi niya nagbigay daw siya.
Saan nga? Too strong!
Ya Allah.
Tinatanong kung saan nabigay.
Yes, on Norcos. Now 4-3. It's 1 point lead on Litran. Too strong. 14 is shot clock, 14. 10. Yes, Sean De La Cruz. Now 5 against 4. It's 1 point lead on San Beda. Black. And shoot 10. Oh, it's San Beda ball. San Beda. 5 against 4. It's 1 point lead now on San Beda. Gumbangan. Short. It's red ball. San Beda ball. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. In and out. Now Gumbangan. Yes, John de Guzman. Now 7-4. It's 3 point lead on San Beda. This is our second game, second match.
Litran versus San Beda. In and out. Tribon again on San Beda. Now 6 minutes. Guman. Whoa! Now timeout. On Litran, it's 9 against 4. 5-point lead on San Beda.
Magbigay naman ng si Ibrahim kanina. Di mo tinanong kung saan? Tinanong mo saan?
Nagbigay nga daw siya sa'yo. Oo. Kaya daw yung 10 dirham daw, singilin daw sa'yo, sabi ni Kan, Ahmad.
Walang binigay sa po. Ahmad, malis na.
Wala.
5 minutes and 55 seconds.
So parang ang diferensya lang, 10 dirham. Kaya,
Bago ko siya. Malis agad.
It's 9 against 4. It's 5-point lead against San Beda. Black.
Ikaw na total. Total na 1405 plus 175.
1?
Ito, total plus 175.
175.
Total na yan, total.
2,405. Minus 175.
Plus.
Ay, plus.
Yes, Sonorcos. 9-6, 5 minutes. It's San Beda versus Litran. Now Guman. Rubbling bellies are troubling. It's only 3-point lead on San Beda. Now Aki to Norcos. Time to shoot.
2,580.
5 to shoot. Now steal.
2,580.
Foul on Norcos. Second team foul on Litrans. First against Norcos. It's 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Foul. Basket count and 1 on El Rosario. Foul on number 2 on Pavon. Set 13 foul on Litran. First on Pavon. It's 4 minutes and 12. 11-6 us. Rebound again. Nice pass down side. Fake. Drive. 10 to shoot. 10.
Gumangan.
Short. Foul. Foul on number 26 on San Beda. First on San Beda. First team foul
Vargas.
against Vargas. 3 minutes and 53 seconds. 5-point lead on San Beda. It's 11 against 6. Now Norcos. Liam. Sidestep. Foul. Foul on number 26. Second team foul on San Beda.
Second, Vargas.
Second personal foul on Vargas. Now 11-7. It's 4-point lead now on San Beda. Eleven 8. 3 minutes and 35 seconds.
Okay, lalo ah.
Time to shoot. Oh! Black, short. 14% setback, 14. Gumangan, 10.
Mas kulay.
5. Steal by Norcos. Too strong. Rebound on San Beda. It's 2 minutes and 59 seconds. 11-8. 3-point lead by San Beda. Gumangan. Fake. Drive. Escape. Gumangan attack. Block behind. May top. Now Norcos. Norcos drive. Norcos escape. Foul. Responded. Foul on number 3.
Del Rosario.
On Del Rosario. 13 foul against San Beda. Now 9-11. It's 2-point lead on San Beda.
Sige lang, relax nyo lang, relax nyo lang.
10, 11. 2 minutes and 37 seconds. 11-10, our score. Matulan, bang! Bang, bang, bang! Now 14-10, 4-point lead against San Beda.
Challenge!
Kampiyon, too strong, top, abon again, block. Now Matulan, to Gumangan, it's 3-on-1.
Montemayor.
Montemayor, Matulan again. Now Aki to Norcos. Norcos 1-1, goes to go. So Norcos now 12 against 14. Now Gumangan. Oh, what a great move by Gumangan, now 16 against 12. 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Iapat lang sila, ha? Depensa na kayo!
Marcos again, big. Still again on Gumangan. 1-on-1, Gumangan, corner Albert, too strong. Rebound on Letran. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Aki.
Depensa, ha? 4-5.
Bang, 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 bang. Now 15-16. Yes, on Del Rosario, 18-15. Ten to shoot.
Challenge!
Pabon. Yes, now 17. 35 seconds.
35 seconds.
30. 14 to shoot. 10. 5 to shoot. Bang, 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 bang. 21, 17, 15 seconds. 10,
Buwan nyo. Taas kamay lang, kapag ano.
5,
Taas kamay. SD, ayos lang.
San Beda tayo, San Beda. San Beda ball. First kanila, Litran. First position, Litran kanina. May jump ball? First yun. Sino nakauna? Litran tayo, Litran. Litran ball, Litran. Score mo.
17-20. Ibalik.
Nice one. Try ka lang lakay. Lawrence.
Conception ko.
14 to shoot, steal.
Lakay, tira mo ka. Open shot ka eh.
Koho. 3 seconds.
It's 17 to 21. Nine minutes, Ibanez. Back to Ibanez.
Nice challenge.
Short. Rebound on Litran again. Oh, one move. Now 19 to 21. Back to 2-point lead on San Beda. Now, Kuho. Short. CJ. Baseball pass. Too strong. Still again.
Nice D bro. Atin.
It's San Beda ball. San Beda.
Yun ang mga nagkapula. Sa sinte. Tumungawak ka na. Yun naman na.
Naka-rest.
Alamin ko sino.
30. Oh, no.
Whoa! 23 against 19. It's 8 minutes.
Okay, challenge. Nice D.
14 to shoot.
Nice D, lakay. Ayaw, sayang. Oh.
10. Still outside of Bisimasan. It's 2-on-2. Now Lorenzo. Kuho. Hey. Kuho. Drive. Yo-yo foul. Foul on number 26 on CJ. First on Litran. First personal foul against CJ. Now 24 to 19. It's 5-point lead on San Beda. Too strong. Rebound on CJ.
Okay, dalawa dun sa gilid.
Yun yung tuloy.
Basic move. Now 21 to 24. Nice shot coming from Posadas. Kuho. Nice pass again. Time to shoot. Short. Rebound by Litran. Steal by Ko. It's 4-on-1. Ko, Yuyabong. Yes, now 26 against 21. It's 5-point lead on San Beda. This is our second game, second match. It's San Beda versus Litran.
Lakay. Baka susundok.
Now, he's still again on San Beda. He's still foul. A kick ball. It's San Beda ball. 14 the shot clock, 14. It's 26 and 21. CJ. Bang! Long two coming from CJ. It's 26 to 23. Back to 3-point lead on San Beda. Kuho. Shout out, shout out. To the door, Aparador. Jump ball, it's San Beda ball, San Beda. We're live on the Facebook page of Basket Pilusta. Kuho. Short, air ball. Rebound by Litran. Too strong. Now, Kuho. It's 5-on-4-on-4. Kuho escapes, side step, foul. Foul on number 20 on Litran. Michael. First on Michael. Second team foul on Litran.
Gusto. Right, one. Dali mo, pre, dali mo!
Ibalik.
5 minutes. Again, San Beda ball. It's San Beda. It's only 3-point lead on San Beda. 26 against the 23. Now go. Nice move. Short. Top. It's Central ball. It's run. It's 4 minutes and 48 seconds.
Ilan, baba, pisto!
Now CJ. Posadas.
Bantay! Taas, tingnan nyo. Easy lang lang. Pahinga.
Aldaba. Kukoho. Oh,
Yow, you're out. Yes, on Koho. 28 against the 23. It's 5-point lead now, San Beda. Foul. Foul on number 30 on San Beda. Time out on Litran. It's 4 minutes. 28 to 23. 5-point lead on San Beda.
30, first personal foul, first team foul.
First personal foul on number 30 on the beat.
Wala sa Adrian nga eh.
Ito, 2,580.
4 minutes. It's 28 against the 23. Steal again on San Beda. Go.
Relax.
Oh, short.
Short. Rebound on Litran. Steal by Koho. Concepcion. Block. Take the shoot. 10.
Sulit.
Air ball. Koho. 5 to shoot.
Concepcion.
Technical foul. Technical foul on number 20 for the skirting.
Michael.
Second personal foul against Michael. 30 foul on Litran. It's 3 minutes and 29 seconds. 28 against the 23. All by San Beda. 29 to 23.
Full possession daw, technical lang yan, full possession oh.
3 minutes and 29 seconds.
Okay, kahit nagbibigay ako, may alamas ko naman kasi sa video.
14 is set clock. 14. Koho. Air ball. Rebound by CJ. Turnover again on Litran. It's 29 against the 23. 6-point lead on San Beda.
$2,580. Oy. Posadas.
Pass Posadas. Yes, 25 against the 29. It's 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Back to 4-point lead on San Beda. Go. 14 to shoot.
30. Oh,
Too strong. Top by Michael.
Carl. Ay,
Now 14 is set at 14. He's still on Michael.
to Posadas.
Posadas. Drive. Posadas. Time out. On San Beda. It's 29 to 27 now. 2-point lead on San Beda.
Open shot lang, huwag nyo lang mag-extramas na magdala.
It's only 2-point lead on San Beda. 29 against 27. 2 minutes and 31 seconds. Now, Ko. The beat. CJ. To Michael. Oh, Stephen Abel. 2 minutes. It's 29 against 227 and only 2-point lead by San Beda.
Challenge! Hey!
Too strong. Now the beat to Koho. 1-1 by Pusada. Scored by Koho. It's 31 to 27. Now CJ. Still by the mid. Michael. Too strong. Air ball. Now San Beda. Concepcion. Still again on CJ. It's CJ to Ibales. It's Litron ball. Litron 1 minute and 24 seconds.
Lakoy! Baba!
It's only 4-point lead on San Beda. CJ. Bang! Long two by CJ. 29 to 31. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Boss daw sabi, boss.
Go. Foul. Foul on number 24 on Pusadas. Warning for penalty on Litron.
Posadas first.
First personal foul against Pusadas. Go.
Bang, bang.
Again short. Rebound by Michael. Now Pusadas. 44 seconds.
Oh, gusto na. Wala nang 42 seconds. Para makapagpahinga kayo.
CJ inbounding. Pusadas. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Pusadas. Now 32-31. 1 point in all Litron. Concepcion. Traveling violation. Traveling 25 seconds.
Oh, last shot tayo.
It's only 1 point lead on Litron. Ibales. Pusadas. 20 seconds. 15.
Sa gilid, yung shooter.
Too strong. 10 seconds.
Hey, 5 tayo, 5!
5 seconds.
Boho. Bang, bang.
And now for second quarter, our score 32 against the 31. 1 point lead now on Litron. Third quarter, ready, third quarter.
Kay Cortez sabi niya siya 10 minutes.
Mamili ka sa labas.
It's Litron ball, Litron.
Tulungan mo makapag-conduct ito yung dalawang game ko. Tapos alis yung dalawa. Wala ko ng pass.
Mag-isa kong uuwi.
Pero ito nito.
Now Basilio. 3-second violation on number 14 of Litron. Turnover against Litron. It's 9 minutes and 40 seconds. 32 against the 31. Domingo. Too strong. Rebound. Short. Nakakarusale. Steal on Aldama. Nice and selfish ball. Oh, too strong. It's 3-on-2. Foul. Foul on number 8 on Sunday, Domingo. First on Sunday, Domingo. First team foul on Litran. Canusale, too strong. Now Salveda. Aldaba. Wow. All on number 14. Litran.
Ha? Awang?
First on Mount. First team foul, Litran.
Nice.
32 all, 32. Now 33-32, 1 point lead back to San Beda. It's Litran versus San Beda in our NCAA Season 4 by Basketballista. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Canusale. 14 to shoot. It's San Beda ball. Nice defense on San Beda. 8 minutes. Aldaba. Now set and play. Aldaba. Guarded by Basilio. Aldaba coast to coast. Fouled outside. Short. Basilio. Now Kosing. Canusale. In and out. Now rebound on San Beda. Montemayor. Oh, you move. It's Litran ball. Litran. It's 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 33 against the 32. 1 point lead. San Beda. Now Kosing. Basilio. Canusale. Bang! On Canusale. 34-33, 1 point lead on Litran. Foul. Foul on number 42 on Kausing. First on Kausing. Second team foul, Litran. 7 minutes. Aldaba. Sunday, Domingo, 10 to shoot. Back to Aldaba. 5. Short. Tap. Rebound. Montemayor. 10 to shoot. Del Rosario again. Escape. Again, too strong. Rebound on San Beda. Del Rosario. Nice play. Whoa! Del Rosario now 35-34. 1 point lead San Beda.
Depensa lang, depensa lang.
6 minutes and 20 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 26. On San Beda. First on Vargas, second team foul. Second on Vargas. Second team foul, San Beda. 10 to shoot. Traveling violation ng Canusale. It's 35-34. Still 1 point lead on San Beda. Now Aldaba. Domingo, back to Aldaba. 14 to shoot. In and out.
Baba.
Now Kosing. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Basilio.
Bang.
Air ball. Now it's 3-2. Vargas, Vargas. Nice pass to Aldaba. It's 234.
Second.
Foul. Foul on number 29. Timeout on Litron. It's 13 foul on San Beda.
29. Multimayor.
Versus Montemayor.
Third.
13 foul against San Beda. 5 minutes. 3-point lead on San Beda is 37 against 34 of
Sir, pwede na kayo mag-sub. Sir, pwede na mag-sub. Pwede na mag-sub.
It's only 3-point lead on San Beda. It's 37 against the 34. 5 minutes, third quarter.
Second. Good.
Now 35 to 37 and 2-point lead back to San Beda. Aldama. Gumbangan. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Gumbangan. 40 to 35. Back to 5-point lead, San Beda. Now Basilio. Too strong. Rebound on Domingo. Now Gumbangan. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Aldama, go, go, go! Sing it out!
Okay, baba na, baba.
Kadusale.
Aywa, gusto ko. Aywa.
Yes, on Kadusale. It's 37 against the 40. Romeling violation, Charveling. Substitution.
Nakalaro na lahat? Ha? Nakalaro na lahat? Dito, wala pa. Nakalaro na lahat dito? Wala? Walang sub tayo. Dapat pa 10 minutes tayo. Dapat maglaro lahat 10 minutes.
Basilio.
Too strong. Top. Tikong. Foul.
Aldama.
Foul on Aldaba. Warning for penalty on San Beda.
Aldama first.
First personal foul against Aldaba. It's 3 minutes and 53 seconds. 40 against the 37. It's same ball, San Beda. 14 to shoot.
Sorry.
Foul. Foul on number 25 on Tikong. 13 foul on Litran.
First.
First on Tikong. Tap. Now Litran, 3 minutes. Tikong, drive, escape, Kadusale. Yes, on Kadusale now 39 against 40. 3 minutes. Aldaba. Sunday Domingo. Too strong. Aldaba again, rebound. Aldaba, drive, Aldaba, foul.
Ilan pa time out namin, Kuya Mike? Isa na lang? This quarter?
Now, Litran on warning for penalty. Foul on Kadusale. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. 41 against 39. San Beda. Now 42 to 39, 3-point lead on San Beda. Two minutes and 30 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Oo, sabay mo alas 10 na ba? Oo nga, 10 mo.
Short. Sunday Domingo. Aldaba. All alone on Aldaba. It's 44 to 39. Warning on number 16 on the lane of the game. 2 minutes.
Sa likod ha.
Carusale, 14 to shoot.
Mawan.
Oh! In and out, Tigong! Basket count and a 1 on Tigong! Time out on San Beda.
41.
41 to 43, 44, back to 3-point lead against San Beda.
Sino yung last foul?
Anong malapit?
Sino yung nag-last foul?
30.
30. 30.
Last technical foul sa number 16.
It's 44 against the 41.
Dito na kayo. Dito kayo pahinga. Dito na kayo. Play. Uy, baba na.
Last one. 32.
Depensa, tingin.
Short.
Tira na kay. Kaya.
10 to shoot. Still by Aldaba.
Next one, Bird.
Yes, now 46. Going to 42. Bang, 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 bang. 45 to 46, back to 1-point lead on San Beda.
Challenge lang, bro. Harap.
1 minute.
Kahit taas kamay lang.
Gumbangan. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Gumbangan. 55 seconds. Black. 45 seconds. Aldaba. Gumbangan again. Too strong. Di pa may Carusale. Top. Aldaba. Too strong.
Nice land.
14 to shoot. Short. Tigong, 25 seconds.
Last shot.
Basilio. Kiko.
Nice pass.
15 seconds. Yes, on Gumangan, 51 to 45. 5 seconds. And now for third quarter, our score, it's 51 against 45. All by San Beda. Fourth quarter. San Beda ball, San Beda.
20 points lang ang nakuha nila. Edrico. 6, 9, 12, 16. Norco, CJ, Michael. Mower. Aki. Ninyo. 20, Michael.
Huwag ka kayo ha.
Last quarter! Now, Kuho. Gugumangan. Steal by Nelatron. Now, 14 to shoot. In and out. Rebound on Michael. To Norcos.
Norcos goes to go.
Oh! Basket count and one on Norcos. Foul on number 4.
Score mo. Dito na. Una ka score. Score mo.
47.
Score. Ba't nagkaldos mo dito?
Yan nasanay na ako.
Mali ka eh. Mali nga.
Norcos.
Now 48 against 51.
Ayan na. 48 plus 1.
Kuho to Gumangan. Fake. Gumangan. Drive. Foul. Foul on number 20 on Michael. First on Litran.
Michael third.
Third personal foul against Michael. 2 free throw shot coming from Gumangan. Now 52 to 48. 4-point lead San Beda. Now 53-48 is 5-point lead on San Beda. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Michael to Norcos. 14 to shoot. CJ. Too strong. Rebound on Michael. Yes, oh! Substitution of Sabrat. Second team foul on San Beda.
22 Batulan second.
Second personal foul on Batulan. Now, basket substitution Teret. Basket substitution.
Plus
53 against the 51.
52. Oh.
7 minutes and 30 seconds. Fourteen to shoot. Gumangan. 10 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Gumangan. 56 to 51. 5-point lead on San Beda. Norcos to Aki. Steal by San Beda. Now, Kuho all the way, left-handed drive, Kuho, timeout! On Litran, it's 58 to 51.
Momentum lang kaya. Diretso mo na.
6 minutes and 59 seconds.
Ayan mo na lang kasi, nasanay nga ako. Mas magiging mali ako pag ganun.
Unahin mo dito, kahit pa zero din. Ba't kailangan mo dito? Dito, kailangan score. Hindi dyan. Tanggalin ko nga yan. Dito ka lang.
Ay, wala na, hindi ko na alam.
Alam. Score ka lang dito. Tanggalin mo nga yan. Yan ka lang sa score. Hindi madili pa nga dyan. Oh, mahirap yan. Score ka lang dito.
Paano kung tanungin nila mga score nila?
Tapos,
Kanina may nagtanong score, ilan ang score tayo?
score dito nga. Ito, 38 points.
Norcos, 14 to shoot. Air ball. Rebound on San Beda. Go. He's still on Litran. Now Norcos. Turnover again. On Litran, it's 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Tama pala. Tama pala. Wala pa.
Tayo ha, gamit tayo ng oras.
It's 58 against the 51. It's 7-point lead on San Beda. Go.
Top, tay gumangan. Block.
Baba na, baba.
Now CJ. Carusale. Nice move, kay Carusale. CJ again. Norcos, side step. In and out. Rebound on San Beda. It's 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Nice move, block. Now CJ. 14 to shoot.
Maon.
Too strong. Rebound on Gumangan.
Montemayor.
Montemayor, ko. Gumangan. Yoyo mo. On Gumangan in 60. Against the 51. 9-point lead on San Beda.
Best player naman.
Carusale, 5 minutes. It's 60 against 51. Carusale. CJ. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On CJ. 60 against the 54. Koho. Drive.
Tira.
Montemayor.
Montemayor. Back to Koho. 14 to shoot. Sulit. Short. Montemayor again. Pow! Foul on number 29.
Kuya Mike, ilan pa time out? Dalawa? Sige, reserve time out kuya. Time out.
Time out on San Beda. It's 60 against the 54. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. 6-point lead on San Beda. Second team foul on Letran.
Isa lang time out nyo ha, isa na lang.
Both teams have 2 fouls to give. 2 fouls to give. 2 free throw shots coming from number 29 of the Montemayor. It's 60 against the 54. 6-point lead on the research. Run better.
Lakay, tira mo.
Yes, so Montemayor, 61 to 54.
Alak ka lang tayo mamaya ha. Baba na, baba.
Foul on Tikong. Oh, still by Koho. Yoya mo. What kay ko by Koho. It's 63 against the 54. It's 9-point lead on San Beda. Short, top, rebound. Yes, on Michael. 56 to 63. Back to 9-point lead, San Beda. Now, Gumangan. Short, Babon. Coast to coast. In and out. Rebound by Gumangan. Now, Gumangan. Pass to Koho. Koho again. Koho. 65 to 56, back to 9-point lead, San Beda. Now Norcos. Pabon. Too strong. Rebound again, Norcos. 14 to set clock, 14. Norcos. Airball too strong. Gumangan. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Now wala boss. 5 to Gumangan. Time out. On Litron, it's 3 minutes and 23 seconds. 11-point lead now, San Beda. Minutes and 23. Both teams now have 1 timeout left. Both teams have 1 timeout left. Now, Michael. Norcos. Pass to Michael. Foul. Foul on number 8 on Domingo. 13 foul on Litran.
Domingo second.
Second personal foul on number 8 on Domingo.
That's two.
Now 57-67. It's 10-point lead on San Beda.
That's two.
14-10 to shoot. In and out. Foul.
This is also.
Warning for penalty. 13 foul. Warning for penalty on San Beda. Warning for penalty. Third personal foul on Vargas.
Ayun.
14 to shoot.
Coso.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Norcos. Fourteen to shoot.
Rep.
10.
Ayun.
Nice one!
Oh no.
Top.
Posadas. Narcos.
Yes, sir, Norcos. 62. Against the 67. 1 minute and 50 seconds. 5-point lead on San Beda.
Pasok mo, pasok mo, pasok mo.
Bring down, baby.
Ow, yun na, top.
Labas lang, labas lang! Kapit lang, labas sir!
Domingo, kuho. Foul. Foul on number 1. Substitution rep, sub. Foul. Substitution Vargas out. Warning for penalty on Litran. First on Liam. Vargas out. 1 minute and 32 seconds. 2 free throw shot given by Kuho.
Lakay, Edmar. Kaya ba?
Both teams have 1 timeout left. Both teams.
Hoy, alaga lang ha. 5 lamang, 6.
Now 68 to 62. Penalty rep. Penalty.
Wag mo kayo!
Yung oras tumatakbo.
Short. Foul. Substitution rep. Substitution. Foul on number 8. Penalty rep. Penalty. 1 minute and 14 seconds. Sub rep. Sub. Now 64-68. 4-point lead on San Beda.
Dikit ha. Dikit sa tao.
Same ball.
1 minute 9 seconds. 14 is set sa clock. 14.
May sabab.
Norcos. 10 to shoot.
Rep.
Air ball. Now go. 55 seconds. Foul. Foul.
Sub number 6.
Foul on number 35. Penalty rep. Substitution rep.
Narcos second personal foul.
Second personal foul against Norcos. 68 against the 64.
Dalawa, 54 seconds.
54.
Now 69 to 64. 54 seconds. Na Basilio.
Kapag kuha bola.
Narcos.
Oras tayo mamaya ha.
45 seconds. 42 seconds. 42.
Di bali foul, di bali.
40 seconds. 35 seconds. Foul. 30 seconds. 30.
Dalawa lang. Kailangan ng dalawa.
Foul on number 1. On Liam. Penalty na. Both teams now. And penalty. 30 seconds.
Nice.
Now 70 to 64. 6-point lead on San Beda.
Nice.
71 against to 64. 7-point lead on San Beda. Basilio. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Basilio. 20 seconds. 18 seconds. 18. Foul on number 35 on Norcos. Penalty. Third personal foul against Norcos. 17 seconds. Both teams have one timeout left. Time out on Litran. Walang timeout. Sige, walang timeout. Ball game. 17 seconds. 17.
Yan sila, may fault. Akin, fault.
17 seconds. 17.
Dalawa. Dalawain mo na. Huwag nang isa. Ay,
Basket timeout, Repa. Basket timeout. 17 seconds.
nice, Kojo. Ay, wow.
15.
Wala, nice. Defense.
Foul. 9 seconds. Foul on Norcos. Warning on Norcos. Fourth personal foul against Norcos. 9 seconds.
Dalawa lang.
Only 4-point lead on San Beda. 71.
Batang Balatiya yan.
Yes, on Lumangan. 72 to 67. 9 seconds.
Nice, Coco.
73, 67. Time out on Litran.
Kumain sa tulungan ko.
Sabi mo sa kanta mo.
Yan, bro.
9 seconds, 9. It's 73 to 67.
Challenge lang. Walang foul sa challenge. Taas kamay lang. Taas kamay lang.
5.
Michael.
And our game winner, San Beda. It's 70.